Give me $100, man. Give me $1,000, man. Give me $100.
Hey, my youth, you know what you watch? Dancehall, skilla. Yeah. They are getting other people. See, their manners are respect to each and everyone. Okay, so I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show some things that happened because of a confrontation between civilian and the police. Yeah, there was some type of an argument or exchange of words during subscribers. So I said, I'm not sure how many persons might have been involved when it comes down to civilian and police, but I do got the understanding that there was some type of a confrontation. So I said, but however, I see something in the video that I'm going to point out here after I present the video to you, my viewers subscribers. So I say, oh, and the video I recorded within the country of Jamaica. The situation reached to a point where a law enforcer was holding a gun. But I'm going to take a look at the video. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe with me.
Police man, I mash up pretty face.
We tell you out of uniform. Once a camera seat. Once a camera seat. I respect it.
Well, in my point of view, emotions there. So, anyways, maybe the video didn't show certain things that happened before certain things happened. So, I ask someone want to jump to the conclusion. But if you look at the video, you can see where the law enforcer was holding the gun a certain type of way. The way how the law enforcer was holding that gun, it made me assume what might have been the intention. Cause, look which part they call it, the gun mouth pint up. Anyways, but still, the thing though, people, seeing a situation like that, though, know that some people might find it a certain type of way, while some people might take it real serious based on how the situation look. But on a real, that right there, so is a half and half for me when it comes down to how the situation really look. As a man say, set away. But anyways, avoid certain type of confrontations though. Don't try to get involved with certain type of confrontations because you may never know. And if you see somebody who holds something like that, that is believed to be a gun, and no. Avoid some type of confrontations. If you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Remember to click all. Now, my people, I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show some things that happened because of a confrontation between two persons. The next video that I'm going to present to you is going to show some things that happened during a struggle between two persons. So, I got the understanding that two persons we can see in the video were arguing with each other, viewers and subscribers, and in my point of view, me hear $100 mentioned in the video. So, based on what me hear in the video, I assume that there was some argument about money based on what me hear in the video. The video shows those persons shoving and pushing each other, and the video shows when at least one person hit the other person. And I want to say big up and respect to all peacemakers, because the video shows when a certain amount of persons did what they could to de-escalate that type of situation where those two persons was involved in a struggle. Some people might call it a fight, isn't it? But anyways, let me present the video to you. Oh, the video had been recorded within the country of Jamaica. Some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe.
Give me money to carry the road. You see like a settlement case will come back. So why is it? Give it to me, man. Come and call the police and kill your whole job. Give me $100, man. Give me $1,000, man. Give me $100, man. Take it out and give me $100. Let's go. What is wrong?
So blessed to all those persons who got involved and did what they could to de-escalate the situation during subscribers. Basically, in my point of view, emotion was shown by at least one person there when it comes down to the confrontation and whatever they were arguing about. As I said, yeah, avoid certain type of confrontations. That's one of the best advice we can give. If you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Remember to click all. Now I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show some things that happened when a person went inside of a place and the person took money that was at a spot inside of that place and put it in a type of clothes that the person was wearing, or a type of pants that the person was wearing. You see, now the person did other things as well to interview subscribers, and the place is believed to be a business place. You see, my people. Now, one of the things that caught my attention is the way the person was searching and doing certain things. And in my point of view, based on the video that I watched, it made me assume that the person was inside that place for more than a certain amount of minutes. I assume that the person was inside that place for a certain amount of time. This is me asking my people. But anyways, I don't have any confirmed information to determine where the video be recorded viewing subscribers. I'm wondering who's the owner of that place really. See? Anyways. Yeah, so it is believed that the person somehow gained entry inside of that place and the person did certain things. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe with me. what's in the container, people. Like that too. But people, that's the video that I saw. The video that I saw ended at a certain point. And look at the point where the video ended. Basically, the video shows the person inside of the place. I'm not sure how that situation ended, my people, because the video ended at a certain point. You see? Yeah, in my point of view, that person was inside that place for a certain amount of time. I mean, look away. See? Yeah, so it is believed that the person, we can see in the video, went inside that place and did certain things. It's believed that the person take money and put in a type of clothes that the person was wearing. Here's where I'm going to leave it, Big up and respect to each and everyone. If you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Remember to click all, and until the next time, I'm in Dancehall Skilla. Big up.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch. Dancehall Skilla.